All right. Hello, everyone. Of course, as you all will know, if you don't already know, we are having our pastoral anniversary, the 20th through the 22nd. We're having a whole celebration that weekend. And on Friday night, the 20th, we are having a game night. And for this game night, it is very important. Of course, everything will be done via Zoom, but it's very important that your Zoom is updated. So what I'll be showing you is how, of course, to update your Zoom. So first, of course, I'm on a Mac, so that's important to know. But it works in a very similar way with other laptops. I'm going to Spotlight, and then I'll be typing in the Zoom application. So as you can see, Zoom popped up. Great. So now, in order for us to update Zoom, we're going to even check if our Zoom either again is updated or if it's not. You click on Zoom.us in the top left-hand corner, and then you go down to check for updates. So then you click on check for updates. Bam, it'll come up and show you if, of course, as it says here, you are up to date, or else it will show you that you are not and that you can go ahead and update your Zoom. All right. So you do not want to miss out on this. And of course, another way to check if your Zoom is updated or not, you'll be able to see this new development here called Apps, which is, of course, again, a new development that Zoom just came up with, where, you can play games, you can add whatever it is, similar to Microsoft Teams. But basically, this is just, again, another sign that your Zoom is updated. So again, we don't want you all to miss any of the fun. As we know, of course, we'll be using Zoom, like I said, for the game night, and it will be done in a great way, a fun way, a way that many probably have not experienced just yet. But we're going to have fun. So please, please, please make sure that your Zooms are updated so you're not looking crazy. And if possible, please, please, please go ahead and use your laptops. Of course, if you don't have your laptops, that's all right. You can use, your phones, your tablets, whatever. But we just want to make sure that you'll be able to join in on the fun. All right. Again, we're looking forward to having you all on the 20th and actually celebrating with us the 20th through the 22nd of August. So again, thank y'all and be blessed.